All right, you guys, we're here today and we have another box. And on this box, it says, if nobody's at home, please drop it at the door. So that's what we're skating.
None of us are at home. No knives.
Well, what do we use to open it then? Yeah, let me get some hot glue, Luke. Yeah, there you go. Relax.
Roll.
Hey, just rip it open.
That is way better than that.
And that's why we have Fetty. Dude, I want to see the note first before I make any broad assumptions that I do not know about. Hey Braille, I love your videos and I'm watching them every day. I sent you a German license plate too because I think it's nicer to skate on it. I'm from Kiel. It's in the north of Germany and the capital of... I don't know if I want to pronounce that.
Schleswig-Holstein?
Schleswig-Holstein. It says that. We have a very nice skate shop here, but just one, at Support Store. Every skater goes there. Hope you guys like my idea and have fun with the license plates. From Benedict, and he is 13 years old. If you want to follow him on Instagram, it's at German Skateinator. That's a freaking awesome Instagram name. German Skateinator. And at funsport_BH. This is a German license plate, and this is a California license plate to work. I actually do want to look up the pronunciation. Here's the official pronunciation of it.
Schleswig.
Wow.
Schleswig-Holstein.
We were pretty close.
Schleswig-Holstein.
We were close.
If you want some information about it, it is a state in northwestern Germany that occupies the southern part of the Jutland Peninsula, capital Kiel. It consists of the former duchies of Schleswig and Holstein. One more time.
Schleswig-Holstein.
Yes. Pizza guy! Hey! Pizza guy, can you say this? This right here? Just give it your best shot.
Schleswig-Holstein.
Yeah! That was pretty good. That was good. That's better than me. Wow. Using the executive order PIZZA for everyone to eat pizza before we finish the rest of this video so we're all in a good mood. That sounds good, right? Oh, hot. Oh yeah. You're doing great, Betty. I'm rooting for you so hard. Let me bite your pizza. Leave a comment below if you guys want to see Pizza Guy Origins, because I will ask him to be in an Origins video if you guys want it, so leave a comment below. I want to see that. Pizza Guy Persistence, Pizza Guy Today I Learned, Pizza Guy You Make It We Skate It. I think we should just hire the Pizza Guy.
$13 says it's break.
Pizza break is over. We all feel 80 times better. Now we have the German reinforced license plate with the trucks on it. Fetty did a great job, he really did. But we have the California license plate as well for comedic relief. We're a little worried that this thing is gonna break. So if it breaks, we're gonna continue the game of skate on our regular boards, but you have to hold this. I wonder if you could throw the license plate hard enough to stick in the drywall. Oh, dang it. Aaron's gonna be mad. Whatever. German license plate, Fetty, Troy, Luke, and Daniel, game of skate, Rochambeau.
Okay, right here. You're last. I'm out. First.
Yeah. Fetty got first. I think it's rigged. All right, Fetty. Flat ground?
Yep.
Oh, that does not sound good.
You have to hold this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's bending so hard.
That counts. I think this is the first time in Braille history that Daniel didn't start a game of skate with like a switch double tray. Count it.
Oh, watch me mess up.
That's the spirit.
Come on.
This is hard. I don't know what other tricks could go down.
You stop being so negative, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna win, okay?
That's right. Daniel, that's two things you've broken today.
What else did I break? It's still good.
Oh, it was masonite or something. It's still good.
Oh, Troy, no. Let's try to bring it back to life. That's right.
Works. Okay, let's do this.
Thank you, Fetty. Troy, you're up.
Re-engineering.
Wow. Yeah, Troy. Oh, where's the license plate? Does that not count? We'll let it slide. We'll let it slide.
It's kind of dangerous. It's like a blade on the outside that just goes flying.
Look at that.
Wow. Okay, imagine this. It's a 2x4 that's short on top of a slippery metal that shins you every time you mess up. What can you do on this?
Everything.
Come on, you're not even trying.
I am trying.
Get it together, Luke.
I am trying.
Get it together. What happened to the shove-its, Daniel?
I was trying to tray, but
I thought you were on your game.
I was holding it like this, and I feel like I should hold it like this, just in case I fall, I could throw it and not chop my head off.
Fetty's photographer alter ego is one of my favorite Fettys. Wow! You're raw.
Yeah.
Did you get a good shot of that, Fetty?
Yeah, I did actually.
Ooh, dang. It totally
got the
does
setup.
add 5 pounds.
Look at that! Look at that! Oh! Oh! That was actually incredibly close. Do your little license plate flip. Oh, wow. Oh, God.
Oh, why am I going so fast?
Oh! Dude,
Rolling
photographer
shot.
Fetty, I'm telling you. My favorite alter ego. Oh, you're right. Leave the wall alone.
I just try to hit Troy, that's all.
Oh!
Help me out here, what do I do?
Thank you, Chef. How did you mess that up?
Try skating this.
Alright, fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Dude, this
I
board is
resisted.
so hard. Oh! What? Ah! Yeah, Fatty.
The crowd did not expect this one. Not gonna lie, that really hurt.
Yeah, Troy.
This could actually hurt someone very bad.
Yeah! You're good. You're good.
What are the odds I land this? 0. You're right.
Oh, dude.
Troy, if you land this hard flip off, you win by default.
Dang.
Yes!
This is fun.
There's the
Too
Daniel
much
I
sauce
know.
on that one.
Oh, I almost premoed the sign in my hand.
I plan to get everyone a letter right now.
Ow! What happened to the nollie shove?
I don't know.
I'll buy you a milkshake if you land it right here. You can't shake lefty, bro.
Oh.
Right here.
Actually?
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, right here. Here's a monster.
Oh, damn, Daniel! I thought you said you were going to get everyone a letter on that.
Well, you know, sometimes it doesn't go the way you want.
Oh!
Maybe pop it next time.
Hey, maybe shut up next time.
Good thing no one was standing there, Luke.
Okay, I'm out of here.
What is that? That's the deepest hole I've ever found here. Dusty divot over here.
Wow. Oh. Oh. Fetty's master schemes coming out here.
Every time. Oops. Oops.
If there was ever a way to win, not on offense, this is the defensive game of your life. Wow! Oh! Wow.
Finally. One try trick for Troy.
And that, my friends, is gonna do it on the German license plate skateboard plastered to a 2x4 while holding a California license plate. That was brutal.
Just look at these bolts.
Seriously. Look at what we had to do to keep this board together. That's impressive. Fetty, your craftsmanship is absolutely fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A huge thanks to all the guys that skated in this video. Another special thanks to Benedict for sending us this German license plate and allowing us to skate it.
Do you
And
think this is off his actual car?
might very well be.
Wow.
All right, you guys can check out the playlist for other You Make It We Skate It videos if you like this one, and if you want to send us something. And if you want to send us something, a board like this, email us, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are the best, and we will see you tomorrow.
Pinata.